by a perfect person to perfect the imperfect. Tina, we are the beneficiaries of perfection. Can you continue? After Leonte highlighted,
By that single offering, he did everything that needed to be done.
He did. I need to just look. By that single offering, Jesus did everything that needed to be done. Yes.
For everyone who takes part in the purifying process.
For everyone who takes part in this. So, uJesu kuthiwa wayenza lento eyenzela bonke abahlanganyela kanye naye. So, umuke wahlanganyela noJesu kuthi it's time for perfection. Can I remind you again? When you don't have the strength to be perfect, awunawo ngisho amandla wena okuba perfect. But can I remind you today, there was a perfect sacrifice. This sacrifice was made by a perfect person. And the reason was to perfect those that are very, extremely imperfect. So if there is anyone who is imperfect, I want to present the sacrifice today.